Hey guys, it's Miss Kraut with your Thursday homework, and tonight's the last night of homework. Tomorrow is your test, and the test is going to look just like this. It's going to be convert to decimals, rounding to 3 digits if necessary, okay? So those repeating ones you're going to round. If it doesn't repeat or it ends, then you just stop. So I'm going to do a few of these with you. So let's do number 4. Let's do number 3, actually. Number 3 is 1/12. So we've been learning that the 12 is the denominator, which is the dog, and he goes outside, right? So we've got 12 into 1, and then I'm going to add my decimal because I haven't changed the value. And then can 12 go into 10? No, but it's very important that you put a 0 there because it goes in 0 times, right? So then I'm going to just add another 0. Will 12 go into 100? Well, 12 times 8, that's 16, is 96. So we're going to say 8, and that's 96, and that's 4 left over. Add another 0 because we're not 3 digits over yet. 12 goes into 43 times because I know that 12 times 3 is 36. Okay. And then I'm going to subtract, and then that's 4. And then I'm going to one more 0 because remember, I'm going to have to go 4 digits so that I can round it. Okay. So 12 goes into 43 times. I can stop right there because I have my 4 digits. So I'm going to underline the 3 because that's the 3rd digit. And then I'm going to circle this 3. That 3 is going to determine whether this is going to go to a 4 or stay a 3. 3 on Round Mountain is not big enough to cause that to go up to a 4. So the answer to number 3 is decimal 083 or 83 thousandths. All right, let's look at number 5. Number 5 is 5/9. So remember, 9 is my denominator, and that's my dog that goes outside. And then I'm going into 5, right? So I'm going to add my decimal. And then 9 goes into 50. 9 times 5 is 45, right? And then I'm going to have my 0 just to bring it down. Again, 9 goes into 50 5 times because 9 times 5 is 45. Oh, look what's happening. We're getting a repeating decimal, right? So I'm going to I have 5, bring down my 0. And that's a 5. That's 45. And this will go on and on and on forever, right? So that's 5. Okay. So looking at this, it's going to keep going. I only need 4 numbers to decide. So I'm going to underline my 5 and circle next door. Okay. That 5 is big enough to cause that to go to a 6. So final answer for number 5 is decimal 556 or 556 thousandths. All right. I'm going to do one more with you, and that's going to be let me do number 17. Number 17 is 8/11ths, right? So I know that with 8/11ths, 11 goes on the outside, and then 8 goes on the inside. Remember, the denominator, your dog, stays outside. Okay? So 11 goes in 8 7 times. 7 times 11 is 77. 3. Subtract, that's 3. 0, bring down. 11 goes into 32 times. 2 times 11 is 22. And then I'm going to have a 0 just to bring down. And that's 7. 7 times 11 is 77. 3, bring down. And that's a 2. Okay, so where is my phone? It keeps going off, but I can't find it. Okay, so this one right here, we're going to underline the 7 and circle the 2. That 2 is not big enough to cause that 7 to go up to an 8. So that 7 is going to stay the same. So final answer for number 17 is decimal 727 or 727 thousandths. All right, let's look at the other side, which is going to be your order of operations. Okay, and this is really important because some of you that have been bringing me your work, you're not moving down. You're not copying the problem and letting it flow.
May I have your attention, please? Fifth grade, second step, please report to the gym at this time. fifth grade, second
Okay.
step, program 2.
So,
Fifth grade.
okay. So number 1, we have 17 minus 17 divided by 18 divided by 60 divided by 7. Okay. So the way to do this is you're going to write your PEMDAS or GEMDAS. It doesn't matter which one you use. So are there any parentheses? Yes. So you're going to do what's in parentheses first. So I always put like a square around what I'm going to do. And then I do 0 because 17 minus 17 is 0. And then I just mark it off. So I know that I'm finished with that. And then I have divided by 18, divided by 60, divided by 7. So I rewrite the problem each time. So the next thing I'm going to do is 0 divided by 18. So that's 0, cross it off, divided by 60, divided by 7. And then I have this one, which is 0 divided by 7. And then the final answer is just 0. So do you see how I've kind of like made an upside down triangle with it getting smaller and smaller, but each time, just so I don't lose anything, I just keep writing the problem. And I know for some of you that's like, I don't want to have to do that, but I promise you it'll keep you more organized and help you with the answer. Let's do number 6. That looks kind of interesting. Number 6 says 10 times 8 minus 10 minus parentheses 16 plus 31. Okay. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. Okay, so we're going to do what's in parentheses first. So I'm going to just rewrite the problem. 10 times 8 minus 10 minus, and then I have 16 plus 31. So that's 47. Oh, why did I write 71? Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's 47, not 71. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is look and see, okay, the next thing would be multiplication because that would come next in our PEMDAS. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. So this is 80 minus 10 minus 47. Okay, and now I'm going to do this one, which is 80 minus 10 is 70 minus 47. 70 minus 47 is 23. So final answer for number 6 is 23. Okay. All right, I'm going to do one more with you guys, and then I'm going to let you guys do all of these on your own. So I'm going to do number 10. And number 10 says 33 plus parentheses 7 times 3 plus 5 plus 40. All right, so when I look at my PEMDAS or GEMDAS, do I have any grouping symbols? Yes, I have parentheses. So I'm going to do what's in parentheses first, okay? So looking at this, okay, now I'm going to decide what I do first, okay? So I'm going to keep the 33 plus, and then I'm going to keep the parentheses. The first thing I need to do is 7 times 3 because multiplication comes first. So I have 21, so I got rid of that, plus 5, still parentheses, plus 40, okay? So now I'm going to do this right here. So I have 33 plus 21 plus 25 is 26. So I did that, plus 40. And now I can just add these. It does 33 plus 26 plus 40. So 33 plus 26 plus 40. So that's 9, 3, 4, 5. That's 9. So the final answer is 99. 99 for number 10. 99. All right, guys, I hope you have a super good day. And remember, Monday, there's no school. Yay, yay. Tuesday, I'll be out because my mom is in town. So the secret word is going to be long weekend. All right, guys, have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.